This is Abigail with PinkStoneThreads, and I'm coming to you with another unboxing video. This time I've signed up for Yarnable by Hypnotic Yarn, and I went ahead and opened this to make things a little easier. So Yarnable is a subscription box that comes with a skein of yarn. You can choose either 1 or 2 skeins of yarn, and then some extras as well. And they aren't always open for new subscribers, but you can sign up for their mailing list if you're interested, and then you can get on the next time there's spots open. So here's our little extras in a cute little bag, and we also have our skein of yarn in a bag as well. So I'll go ahead and open the extras up first. So this is awesome. Yarnable January 2023. It shows you everything that comes in the box, and that's a really cute card. Some additional information and a scratch discount code, it looks like. So that's awesome. All right, so for our extras, we've got a 3 by the Sea 2020. Yeah, there it is, 2023. It looked like 2022 when I had it upside down, but 2023 Progress Keeper. So that'll be really cool for your long-term projects, especially blankets and such. I think I might put this on my granny stripe blanket so I can tell which stripes are from what year. And that's a more long-term, several-year project. So I'm excited. Definitely excited to use that, and it's got a cute little pink pink pearled bead on there, so that's really cute. So 3 by the Sea stitch marker, and then Fancy Sprinkles Moonstone Iridescent. So I'll check this because I'm not entirely sure what this is. Opalescent Fancy Edible Glitter Packet by Fancy Sprinkles. Make your beverages sparkle with flavorless edible glitter in either Moonstone Iridescent or Champagne Rose Gold. So looks like I got that Moonstone Iridescent color, so that's exciting. Definitely could make some fun cocktails with that. And lastly, for our extras, we've got Goddess Sea Minerals Pomegranate Scented Bath Bombs. And it comes with 4. It's really cute packaging. So those are exciting. Awesome. All right, and last up, we've got the yarn. Ooh, definitely have a pink theme going on, like a champagne rosé theme for this box. So this is a nice pink with speckles of yellow and a kind of peachy color and speckles of purple as well. And this color is called Party Like It's 2023, which is the box theme. Plush sock base, 8515 superwash merino with nylon, and that's 100 grams, 437 yards. So definitely excited to use that for socks. I think that'll be perfect, and it feels so squishy and soft. So yeah, I absolutely love this first box from Yarnable. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time.